Okay, here's the next fan for the channel. The next one is probably what is my signature Lakewood. This is a 1976 model S-223-W. The W suffix stands for the Westinghouse motor. So this is the second Lakewood box fan in my collection to have a Westinghouse motor. I got this from a former fellow YouTube user. First he was called Mr. Casablanca 92, and later the Mr. Casablanca 92. Anyway, I got this fan from him because he knew I was dying for one of these S223 Lakewoods, particularly one with the first gen blade set. In my opinion, the first gen blade set and the square Lakewood cabinet just go together. According to fellow user Lakewood91, just makes a box fan look like what it should be. It is what Emerson Colley and Lakewood91 consider a real box fan in terms of plastic bladed box fans. As you can see, it's on a rollabout stand. I got this stand with another Lakewood box fan that I got after this one, which I'll show in the next video. As you can see, it's not really a Lakewood stand. In fact, this stand was actually made by Lasko, and was actually, I think, mainly sold at Sears. These stands, mainly for use with the box fans that Lasko branded and made for Sears. Anyway, we'll have an overall look at it, then we'll fire it up. As you can see, it's that very nice terracotta orange color. Very retro. Forgive me, I'm having to do this with two hands. Hard for me to keep the camera focused. Here's the other side. Whoa. And there's the back. As you can see, it's just like that K223 I showed from 75. This also has a Westinghouse motor. Sadly, some of the paint peeled off right there, but just that much. And it's got that little sticker in the middle. Yeah, the motor to this one has a date code of B76, meaning it was made in February of 1976, so this is like 6 months older than I am. Yeah, turn it back around. As I said, I'm having to do this with two hands. View at the top. There's the speed selector and switch plate. It's that white variety, which probably came out in late 75 or maybe early 76. And if you look closely, on the top it's got some white paint splatters. And you may not see it, but inside, but on the inside of the cabinet, on the sides and the bottom mainly, one of the previous owners spray painted it with gold spray paint. I don't know why anyone would do that. Some of it, though, shows up on the feet. And there's some rust in the corner. But no biggie. Grills and blade are in perfect condition, though. They're perfectly white. Anyway, now it's time for me to operate this thing. Here's high. Here's medium. And low. Now low's a little fast on this, but not too bad. Back to high. And off. And that's my 1976 Lakewood model S-223-W on rollabout stand. Thank you for watching.